1. Kicking things off at the bottom is Jared Leto. His take in Suicide Squad and the brief cameo in Snyder's Justice League felt more like a misguided audition than an embodiment of chaotic genius. Forced eccentricity and puzzling design choices left us scratching our heads instead of laughing maniacally. 2. Next up, we have Barry Keoghan. In The Batman, his cameo hinted at a nuanced madness that promised more than it delivered. Though his screen time was minimal, the potential for a truly layered villain was palpable, a tantalizing glimpse of what could have been if given the spotlight. 3. Meeting the Joker behind the mic, Mark Hamill carved his own niche as the voice of Gotham's unhinged trickster. His vocal rendition has become legendary, marrying malevolent mischief with unsettling charm in animated classics. His performance is celebrated even if it lives in the realm of imagination rather than gritty live action. 4. Then comes Jack Nicholson, who redefined the Joker in the 1989 Batman, with a performance that remains larger than life. His mix of sardonic humor, razor-sharp wit, and a dash of menace captured an era, a flamboyant yet sinister portrayal that set an early benchmark for the character on the big screen. 5. Rising higher, Heath Ledger gave us a Joker who transcended comic book villainy. In The Dark Knight, his electrifying, chaotic, and disturbingly calm performance reimagined villainy and left an indelible mark on cinema history, so powerful it forever altered our notion of Gotham's madman. 6. Finally, at the very pinnacle sits Joaquin Phoenix. His deeply immersive and haunting portrayal realizes the character as a tragic anti-hero, balancing vulnerability with volatile terror. It's an intimate study of isolation and madness that redefines what it means to be the ultimate villain, earning its rightful place at the top. Each actor poured a different facet of insanity into the role, from misunderstood misfires to transformative, career-defining masterclasses. The evolving legacy of the Joker reminds us that sometimes the greatest art emerges from chaos. So, which Joker twist your mind the most? Every interpretation offers a unique lens on madness, and in the end, the Clown Prince's true genius lies in his uncanny ability to mirror our own inner demons.